Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is the another devlog of Unity Fundamentals 1 and what we did in this update was to like polish the game. So I added the sound manager and different sound effects in the game, many different sound effects, and then I also added the player attack functionality. So now our player can attack and kill the enemies. So let me show you the output. So I'm not sure if you can hear the sound, but there is a background music, and when I click the buttons, uh, there is sound for that too. So every button has a click on it, and those clicks have a sound. So I can select the level. I changed the numbering finally. Let's say loaded the level 1. When I press the right mouse button, it attacks, and when I collect the key, there is a sound effect. So you can kill the enemies, and there is a level complete sound effect, and then again. And yes, there is also a point. Player only attacks in the direction that it is looking in. So if I am looking this left side, then it will attack only on left side, and if I'm looking on right side, then it will attack only on right side. So let me show you. If I look here and attack, it doesn't do anything. And yes, there is also a range. If the enemy is outside the range of the player, then cannot be killed. Okay, so say I think that is it for the functionalities and stuff. Let me show you the code. So here is the sound manager. So we made it a singleton, and then I made a enum to store different sound effects, what kind of what sounds I want to store, and the sound data that will contain a sound clip. Then I just find that sound clip, and then I just play it. Okay, then there is the